Hello students, welcome back in EVS class. Today we will start chapter 5 and the title of the chapter is Water. So as you know children, water plays a very important role in our life. Water is one of the most important substances on earth. All plants and animals must have water to survive. If there was no water, there would be no life on earth. Yes, no one can survive on the earth. Neither animals, neither human being. So apart from drinking it to survive, people have many other uses for water. Like cooking, washing clothes, bathing, keeping houses and communities clean, and keeping plants alive in gardens and parks, and many more things. So water is used for many activities. Now come on here on your book, page number 40. This is fun time. Look at the picture given below. Write the name of activities in which water is being used and use the help box. In this help box some words are written and you will write down these words in the given blank here. First word is drinking, second cooking, third swimming, and fourth is gardening. See in the first picture this girl, what she is doing? She is cooking. So write here cooking, COOKING, cooking. Next, see one boy, he is taking bath. So what he is doing? He is swimming. SWIMMING, swimming. He is swimming in the swimming pool. Next, one man, he is watering the plants. So what he is doing? Gardening. Right here GARDENING, gardening. See two old person, one old man, he is having a glass of water in his hands and what he is doing? He is drinking. So right here drinking, DRINKING, drinking. So children, these are the uses of the water. So we use all water in these places, not only in these things, activities, many more are there. So it's your duty also that you should save the water, because water is very precious and we get this gift from the God. Okay, so the gifts which we got from the God, we should save that gift. Come on, next. Water is very important for us. We cannot live without it. All living things need water. We need water for drinking, cooking, washing, bathing, and cleaning, etc. Yes children, water is very important because we cannot live without it. All living things like birds, animals, we people, human beings, and plants, all they need water to drink. We need water for drinking, cooking, washing, bathing, cleaning, etc. And children, if for 2 hours you will not drink water, then you are becoming thirsty. So means you are just thinking that something is missing. So within 1 or 2 hours we can't survive without water. So just imagine, can you survive without water on the earth? No, it is impossible. Next, plants and animals also need water to live. Plants use water to make food. They take up water from their roots. This water gets stored in different parts of plants, which are later eaten by us. Animals too need water for drinking and to keep themselves cool. Yes. So why the plants need water? Plants need water to make their food, because when we water the plants, we are giving the water to their roots and the water is stored in their roots. When the water is stored in the roots, then from roots only the water goes in the different parts of the plant which are eaten by us. And same way animals also need water. Animals need water for drinking and to keep themselves cool. In the summer season, might be you people have seen that the animals, they themselves, they are going in the pond where the water is very less. They are going, just they are taking bath there, so they are keeping themselves cool there. Next is sources of water. Yes children, sources, we get water from different sources. Yes, the sources are that from where do we get the water. Very first source, main source. The main source of water is rain. Underline this. Rain is the main source of water. Most of the fresh water on the earth comes from rain. Yes, the fresh water. The fresh water comes from the rain. So main source of water is rain. Rainwater collects in lakes, ponds and rivers. This is called surface water or natural sources of water. We get this water through taps after it is purified. Yes children, the main source of water is rain, and the rainwater collects in the lake, pond and a river. And this is called the surface water or the natural source of water. And when this water, we get this water only after purify we get this water in our taps, in our home taps. We are not going outside to lake, pond, rivers to get the water. We are getting the water through the taps only, and that tap water that we receive, that also is the that comes from the rain, but after purify. Okay, some rainwater goes into the ground through the soil. It is called groundwater. We can use groundwater through hand pumps, tube wells and wells. They are also called man-made sources of water. Yes. Next is storing water. Even though rain is the main source of water, it does not rain throughout the year. We need to store water. This can be done by building dams, canals and reservoirs. Yes children, you know already that we didn't get the rain throughout the year. So the rainwater which we get as a natural source, so that we need to store that water. So now we will read how can we store that water. First is a dam. A dam is a wall built across a river. It has special gates that can be opened or closed to control the flow of water. Yes, a dam. See the picture of dam. Dam is built across a river. Yes, and it has a special gate. So you can see these special gates, and these can be open and closed according to the flow of the water. Means if they want to control the water, then they close the gates, and if they want to flow the water, they want to open the gates, means they want to see that water should go in the rivers, then they open the doors of these main dams. Next is canal. A canal is built to take water to places where there is scarcity of water. Yes children, where there is the shortage of water, so for that the canal is built, because their water cannot come in through the tap. So for that the canal, they can take the water through the canal. Next is reservoirs. Reservoirs are man-made lakes built behind a dam to store blocked water of the river. You can see here, these are made by the man. How? Why? To block the water, means to store the water in the river, means this is a kind of river only. Just to store the water, they made a river behind the dam. See here, this is the pink box. It is written that the Bhakra Nangal Dam, built on Satluj River, is the biggest dam in India. Underline this beta. This question can come. Name the biggest dam of India, that is Bhakra Nangal Dam, and it is built on the Satluj River. So children, in this video I will teach you up to here only. So you just go through this. In the next video we will do next chapter. By the time, take care of yourself. Goodbye.